All right, we're here with ERRF early, at ERRF early, setting up with Creality. About to bring in a whole bunch of boxes straight out of my garage to the booth. A lot of fun. A little behind the scenes before the mayhem. All right, let's go. All right, so it looks like we can't quite set up yet, but we've unloaded everything out of the vehicles. Sabrina's over there. Hi, hi, hi. So we're gonna have to come back to set up. I unfortunately won't be here for that, so I'll be here when the magic happens and this place is completely filled to the brim. I guess I'll have to show you the Creality booth when I get back. All right, later. Okay, before I leave, I just spotted Prusa before they set up. Sorry, Prusa, but I wanted to see this in person. So cool. All right, I'm gonna stay far away now before I get accused of things. Okay, I lied. I came back.
I'm going to show you a picture if I can find it.
It's getting wild out here. A little preview of things to come. Brian walking by, Ballistic Tech. Look. What's up?
Here, that's my sticker.
All right.
Best thing I got.
Back at it. All right, guys. A little bit of a vlog style today. When I got a new mic, and I'm here for the first day of ERRF. A little bit later than I wanted to, but let's go in and check it out. I know a lot of people are going to be covering this, so I'm not going to get everything in here, but I figured if I see something cool from my perspective, I'll show it off. All right, let's see what's in here. This is a pretty cool view. So we got a bunch of vendors down here, and then even more people set up all the way around. And the parking lot is full, let me tell you. So the Creality booth should be right over there somewhere. And I have a K1 over there and my 3D printed crawler. So maybe head there first, say hi to the gang since I know them. And then we'll check everything else out. So I was walking around trying to get down to the main event. Look who I found. The two original Aquila boys from YouTube.
In the house, ERRF 2023.
Bam, official. What's going on?
Together again.
Yep. All right.
First time.
That's true. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
All right, so I guess after we do some random talking here, let's go down and check some things out.
Start looking around.
All right, let's do it. Look at this little thing I just found. The Creality Nebula Pad Smart Kit. So apparently, this is going to be pretty much a smaller, less expensive version of the Sonic Pad that you could add onto a machine. So that should be interesting. I'll have more when I have it. 3D Gloop has it's a pretty cool test. You can go up against an actual robotic arm. Wow. If I wasn't prone to injury, I'd probably be a good contender here. So this is going to be cool. I'm unfortunately going to miss it, but we got drag racing going on. Look at these. Let's see if he's going to launch it real quick for us. Just a little practice run. Super cool.
Which one works best for you? Would you try?
Yeah, and I'll put right there 2 rows down. So the key feature for this printer is the magnetic linear motor, and that's just. There's no bells, no wheels on there. It doesn't use that motor, and the way.
Okay, that's pretty cool. I missed it. They're giving back to the boron community with the Pale Poly project. Also, Orca Slicer and Clipper themselves. Really cool project, guys.
That's where I put my
This is pretty cool. These are magnetic. But then, what is this? Look at this Death Racer. Amazing work. But then, I don't know if this is more or less impressive, but croc printer, come on. I might have to buy a bamboo machine just so I can have a croc printer. It's gotta be yellow though. Yes. Alright, Protopasta doing it.
You get it first try?
Look at this selection from Polymaker.
We'll see you
I mean, that's an overwhelming amount of choices and colors. Epic. And then also, look at this film. That's just gorgeous, isn't it? Cool. Look at this. We got essentially machine art. Beautiful. Look at this little guy. There's more behind me. Let me turn around. Guys, check out this mini 2.4 built in the style of a V02, but it's a 2.4. It's tiny, but also extremely elaborate. Woo! Sheesh.
I don't know what I print with that, but I'd be printing with it. Yeah.
All right, so this machine here, it's significantly taller than me. I think several people can stand in there. Look at this absolute behemoth. I wonder what that screw costs right there. Wow. Beautiful. Guys, look who I found.
I don't
Bam.
know. Me? No.
This is why I taped my door on the K1 Max.
Exactly. Be careful with that K1 Max. It could be messy if you improperly handle it.
That's right.
No fault of mine at all for tilting it.
Awesome.
Maybe a little bit.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you as well.
Yeah, he was saying
Iron Man himself.
around here. He says that it's the cookie was the reaction.
Really cool finish. Guys, check out this little baby belt printer. It's so cute. It's tiny.
You can pick it up, but yeah.
Awesome. Guys, look at the size of this. It's hard to comprehend, but like 500 by 500, that's my hand. Like, this thing is just, it's larger than life, really. And yeah, you can print some just absolutely gigantic things without seams. Kind of incredible, really. Man, 3D printing. Guys, I just print benchies. Look at this. Hey guys. Incredible.
I mean, on their site, they don't even use it. They have one in English and two, I think, in Spanish.
All right, guys. Here's the Magneto. Let's check it out a little bit closer. Let's see what we got going on. Magnets. How do they work? Polarizing machine. Everybody's talking about it. It should be pretty cool. It's all for these guys. So I'm here, printed solid. I was here yesterday kind of taking a look around, and this was rows and rows and rows of filament. And it looks like it is all gone because, well, they had a special for 15 bucks. It's pretty cool. Jesse PLA, Jesse PTG. Look at that. It's all gone already. Wow. Good job, guys. Going from the 500 by 500 printer, checking out this little baby. Check this out, everybody. Do you know who this is? I do. Nero 3D, what's up? Beautiful costume, man. Good job. Awesome. All right, check out this Voron Legacy over here. Nice. Yeah, it's got to be one of the coolest things to check out, like other people's ideas.
Yeah.
But like, look at this. It's like a, well, it's a Deltesian. That's what it is. Wild.
So I was like, hey, you give me a file.
All right, guys, this is Digital Dragons builds here. Check out this 3D printed drag race car that we saw a little earlier. Got a little Nomi on there. These things are getting popular. Nice, beautiful Trident. And we got some Death Racers.
All the holes instantly. You export it, you fix the last few.
Should I get in on one of those or
We
what?
throw it in.
Talk about printing big. Look at that. That's the size. 2 different machines. Look at the size of that, huh? So cool. This little guy, and by little I mean absolutely massive, was printed with a 0.6 millimeter nozzle, surprisingly. This gentleman was telling us that you can actually push a lot of plastic width-wise, even though it's just 0.6. Look at that, man. That's a chair. Yeah. Anyone remember these? Well, obviously not this one, but these machines, these tiny little cubes, they used to be popular. They weren't heated. The bed wasn't heated. There was no fans. But looks like with some modern components and a little bit of clipper, you could have yourselves a pretty decent machine. Look at that. All right, and of course, we got the Creality booth. Hey, look what made it here. Grab your stickers. I'll try to keep them stocked. Say hi to Stone Cold Steve Austin in there for me.
What is that? Can you tell me what that machine does? The big one?
I wanted to get here earlier, but then when you volunteered to come, I was like, let's just do whatever his schedule was okay with. Because I could have gotten up an hour earlier and made it in time.
All right, so that's end of day one. I didn't get to see every single booth. I didn't get to see every event. The drag racers I kind of want to see. I definitely want to see the death racers. So I'm going to try to catch all that tomorrow and showcase to you guys. But this has been day one. I met a lot of cool people. Thank you to everyone that said hi to me. Sorry I'm so awkward. It's just how it is. But if you do come and say hi, I got a sticker for you in the least. Yeah, lots of fun seeing everybody. Lots of fun seeing the the companies that support the channel and support just fellow YouTubers in general. That was cool. There's so much cool stuff happening in 3D printing in general. Yeah, it's cool. All right, end of day one. I had a long walk to the car. So many people. All right, later.